one.
Logan, kill me. Got it, boys.
God damn. I don't know how to drive an automatic.
Look at that shit that Logan's driving. Flat box.
What the heck?
Honestly, it's nicer than my shit.
Honestly. Clapped. Man. Oh my god.
Goddamn green trailer.
Goddamn LP24V.
LP fucking trailer.
Yeah. Crash the Porsche? Goddamn. Rolling coal. Oh my gosh. It's a hovercraft mod. I think I have the biggest hovercraft. It's an actual spaceship now. This is a new type of skating. You can't even see the darn tires. Somebody stole my whole lift. I can't believe it. I'm so mad. I went to McDonald's, grabbed me a Travis Scott burger real quick, and I came back and everything was gone. They left the tires though, so I don't know what they're gonna do with the 20-inch Plan B Fab lift. 4-link's gone. They left 2 coilovers. I don't know where the other 2 are. Definitely not back there. Crazy. Freaking thieves these days, man. This is wild. Oh my god.
Goddamn.
Clapped out.
Not clapped out. This is Brian's auto body seam sealer.
Stacking dimes.
Need them beads laid?
Bro, go down to Texas, be a freaking pipe layer.
I can lay the pipe already.
Factory. Good as new. God dang, Kaylee's truck looks tooted up.
Goddamn spaceship kit. Goddamn.
I need me one of those furry steering wheel covers.
Fury right here. Take this video right here. Got it?
Furies.
That shit on tape.
Oh, Fury tires. Hey, hey Brandon, I don't think that's how it says.
Yeah, those are Drew's. Drew had to use mine.
Look
at Drew's truck.
Furies. Got everything loaded up. Well, kind of. This has to be pushed over a little bit. Alright! Alright! Asshole. Off to Arkansas. Nice job. Freaking ruined the clip. Alright, so gotta take the thumbnail. So like, that look good? Look good? No. That look good? No. Like that? Not at all. What about like this?
No, not at all.
Like that?
Yeah. Right there.
Or like this?
Bend over a little more.
Hey, there can only be one big 6-0 here. And I'm already here, so
I'm down here.
you gotta go away. And Brandon's down there. Goodbye, spaceship. God, that looks dumb. Goodbye, the cleanest second gen in the world. Goodbye, single cab. Goodbye, other single cab. Dude, there's so many trucks here.
You hear that? BoogieMajor.
We're somewhere in Kentucky, and that's my lift. Well, it was my lift. Now it's my buddy Davis's. Yeah, I don't have the lift anymore. But like, we're gonna build another one, so it's okay. We're going to Alabama.
What did you just do? What did...
It's fine.
Get down. Get down.
I need more.
No. You're done. You're done.
What people don't know about this is it's great for your windshield. But what it's actually made for is cleaning your American forces. See? Dirty. Disgusting. Brand new. They're literally brand new. And it doubles as tire time. I need this. Imagine just driving the truck in there. It's a cow farm. Go find cows outside. Kimber. And those moo cows. What'd you do? What's up with all these spaceship mods? Do a wheelie. Linda. Do a wheelie. see me one of these at the shop. Forklifts are boring. This is Davis's truck. He bought my old lift. It's gonna be pretty sick. Got all the arms, everything. Y'all can go follow him on Instagram. See the build. He's got these 40-inch amp tires going on it with 24x14s. Should be sick. You Alabama boys are weird. Davis over here gave me a little trade. So I traded my whole lift for what? Those two, those two, those four, and then all the way down in the field there's about 8 more. So we could do a quadzilla dually monster truck.
The goal is to beat Whistling Diesel. Like,
yeah, no.
it needs to be
Whistling
bigger.
who? I farm. Where are all the cows? Bye,
There's
cows.
so many. I don't know where they came from.
Yeah, they're everywhere. There's more on this side too. Goodbye. There's traffic for like 10 miles.
See you guys later.